tapping on the door. She's still just sitting here. Sugar. Hi, Daisy. Good girl. Good girl. Hey.
Can you see yourself in the camera?
Here. Sits.
There we go. I
Sit.
see you. Good girl.
Left. Sits.
I'm so
We got that dog going crazy.
You did so good.
We got this dog giving huggies.
You did so good.
And looky, she is still just a pretty girl. What a pretty girl. Yes.
You're so good.
Hi. Goose. I got her. Good girl. Goose. Back. Good. Is she?
Yeah.
Well, Mira brings a lot of energy to the whole thing. Just, Girl. Drop back just a little bit. Just drop back a little bit. Or just stop right there. Keep her in here. There you go. Can you walk Shug up the sidewalk and then I was thinking we'll just do all three of them kind of almost side by side. Just let us get in front of you because it's not really a challenge unless she's actually seeing the dogs. Right, I know. Is it? Oh, I thought they were trying to come.
There's my girl. Hi. I just don't want you scared. You look straight there. I don't care about that.
Girl.
puppy. I don't care about that. Yes, sir.
Gray, step up. Step, step, step. Go quick, quick, quick. I want you to blow right past us. Go.
You're having a harder time than she is. You don't know what love is.
I'm gonna drive Mira up a little bit. Reach. Oh, good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Puss. Yep. Sit.
Hey, pay attention. Look at me. I don't care what they're doing. You look at me.
She's doing so good. Sit. Good girl.